So that, I've no idea whether or not that's one as well, but I know that when I was just filming, it's definitely one of these enlivened AI Morgellons type things. I mean, and this one, I think I can see movement. Yes, look at that little twisting and ebbing. That's not wind, I promise you. So that's two relatively ultra large in the Morgellons world nanotech things. Look at that, just come out my right eye and bothering me all morning. Finally starting to come loose. Every day it's the same. I sort of wake up, can't really open my eyes very much for quite a few hours until I've managed to evict this critter, which is just basically using that as, it seems, as a mass exodus route. Look at the way it does ebb about. Again, the intelligence. It's not just random blowing around. This is the colour as well, the exact distinct colour that Morgellons is. And Morgellons is known and identified as being real, except by the allopathic mainstream, who are basically brainwashed to deny it and call it delusional parasitosis. But anyway, apart from that, right, this thing also was showing it's hard to keep it in focus. It was showing reactivity to my finger coming near. It's not an easy film, this one. Look at the way it ebbs in and out now. You see that stretching? Stretches out, stretches back in, recoils. Look at that recoiling. You know what I mean? And as I come, what are you saying, hey? What are you saying? Can't really do a lot, can you? It's difficult to get this into actual focus. Right, there it is, look. See, now it's turning right around a little bit. Again, snaky, with a kink. This whole neck thing's got a bit sort of, well, you know, just crushed together. But it can still move for now. That's two quite significant size ones that I've managed to just work out just now. If I give it another tap, see how that other one definitely was keeping focus. See if the back moves around at all. I've joined them together now, that'll be interesting. Trying to keep it still, but not greatly well, so it's not so easy. Just kind of harmonically rocking around. So anyway, that is the deal. Oh, they've come apart now, look. See, look at the way this one behaves when I give it a poke at the end. Stretches in and stretches out. Contorts itself in random ways. Bored now.